Dear universe, infinite source of wisdom and creation, I offer this desire to you, the vision born from my heart and soul. If not this, then something better. I release my longing into your hands, trusting that you know the path for my highest good. For greater than I can see, I surrender my will to divine timing. I trust the unfolding of all things. I welcome what is aligned, what serves my highest good and the good of all. As I breathe deeply, I feel the energy shift from wanting to allowing, from striving to trusting, from control to peace. Desire and surrender coexist within me, flowing as one sacred force of creation. I let go. I trust. I receive. And so it is.